Are you ready to unlock endless money-making opportunities? From your 9 to 5 to investing in stocks and real estate to starting a side hustle, creating online courses or earning through affiliate marketing, the opportunities are endless. Ready to explore your options? Let's dive in. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. What's up everyone, it's Alfonso from Money Mart Basics here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of income. That's right, we're talking about all the different ways you can actually make money. It's more than just getting a job, folks. Whether you're a hustler looking to expand your income streams, someone stuck in a 9 to 5 wanting to break free, or just curious about the different ways people make money, this video is for you. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you make a little or a lot, what matters is that you understand how money works. Understanding how to generate income is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a life where you have options. Remember, money isn't everything, but it sure does make things easier. So grab your notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the secrets to earning income like a pro. We're about to break down all the different avenues you can explore to boost your bank account. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with employment income. The good old 9 to 5 is the most common way people earn a living. I know what you're thinking. You watch this channel to escape the 9 to 5, but a steady paycheck provides stability while you work towards your goals. Maximize your earning potential. Negotiate your salary, ask for raises, and crush performance reviews. Your skills are valuable. Ensure you're compensated accordingly. Look for opportunities to earn overtime pay. And don't forget about commissions. Commissions can significantly boost your income. Make the most of your current employment situation. All right, let's move on to some other ways to make money. Now let's talk about self-employment income. This is where things get exciting, folks. Freelancing, consulting, gig economy jobs, all about being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere. The beauty of self-employment is the flexibility and independence it offers. Choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects you're passionate about. No more office politics or dealing with a grumpy boss. You're in the driver's seat, calling the shots, and building something for yourself. The sense of accomplishment and financial freedom is truly liberating. Now let's talk about business income. This is where things get really exciting, folks. Imagine holding the reins, calling the shots, being your own boss. It's a dream for many and for good reason. Owning a business can bring in some serious cash. We're talking profits rolling in from your very own company, franchise fees coming in like clockwork, or even that sweet online business revenue. But remember, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. It takes dedication, hard work, and a whole lot of hustle. But here's the secret sauce, folks. Provide value. That's right, give people what they want, what they need, what they can't live without. It could be a product, a service, an experience. When you provide value, you build trust. And trust, my friends, is the foundation of any successful business. So, go out there, find your niche, and build something amazing. All right, let's dive into the world of investment income. This is where your money starts working for you instead of the other way around. It's about building wealth passively even while you sleep. We're talking about those sweet dividends rolling in from your stocks, the steady interest payments from your bonds, and of course, those capital gains when your investments go up in value. It's like magic, but with money. But remember, investing always comes with risks. That's why it's crucial to do your homework. Research, diversify your portfolio, and think long-term. Don't fall for those get-rich-quick schemes. Slow and steady wins the race, folks. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start early, stay consistent, and watch your money grow over time. Now, let's talk about another fantastic way to generate passive income: rental income. That's right, folks. Being a landlord doesn't have to be a headache. In fact, it can be a lucrative and rewarding experience. Imagine this. You own a property, and every month, like clockwork, that rent check comes rolling in. It's like printing money while you sleep. And it's not just limited to residential properties. You can rent out commercial spaces, parking spots, even that RV sitting in your driveway. But the benefits don't stop there. As a property owner, you also benefit from property appreciation. That's right, your investment can actually increase in value over time. And let's not forget about the tax advantages. There are some sweet tax deductions you can claim as a landlord. So if you're looking for a way to build wealth and generate passive income, look no further than real estate. Now let's talk about passive income. You ever hear that phrase, make money while you sleep? Well, that's passive income in a nutshell. See, with passive income, you're not trading your time directly for money like a regular job. You put in the effort up front to create something, a product, a system, a piece of content, and it continues to generate income over time even with minimal effort from you. Think about it like planting a money tree. You gotta water it, nurture it in the beginning, but once it's grown, it keeps bearing fruit. Take royalties, for example. You write a hit song, a book that flies off the shelves, or invent something useful, and every time someone buys or uses your creation, you get a cut. That's passive income. Or consider affiliate marketing. You recommend products or services you believe in to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. The beauty is, you're helping people find what they need while generating income for yourself. Now that's a win-win. Alright, let's talk side hustles. These are like the Robin to your 9-to-5 Batman, adding that extra punch to your finances. A side hustle is any type of work you do outside your main gig to earn extra cash. And the best part? The possibilities are endless. Got a knack for writing? Offer freelance writing services online, good with kids? Tutoring might be your calling. Handy around the house? Boom! You've got yourself a handyman side hustle. The gig economy has exploded in recent years, offering flexible, on-demand opportunities to earn money on your own terms. Whether it's driving for a ride-sharing service, delivering food, or completing micro-tasks online, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. Remember, even a few extra $100 a month from a side hustle can make a world of difference. It can help you pay down debt faster, build up your savings, or finally treat yourself to that well-deserved vacation. Plus, who knows, your side hustle might even turn into your main source of income someday. Let's dive into the world of residual income. Residual income is like planting a seed that keeps growing, generating income long after the initial work. It's the gift that keeps on giving. One example is network marketing. You join a company, believe in their products, and share that passion with others. As you build a team and they start selling too, you earn a percentage of their sales. People subscribe for access, and you receive recurring revenue. It's a beautiful thing. And let's not forget about rental properties. You purchase a property, find reliable tenants, and collect rent each month. Residual income is all about creating a system that generates consistent income for years to come. Now let's talk about government benefits. These programs are designed to provide a safety net and support individuals and families facing financial hardship. We're talking about things like Social Security, which offers income for retirees and those with disabilities, and unemployment benefits, which help folks who've lost their jobs get back on their feet. It's important to remember that these programs have eligibility requirements, and the amount of assistance you receive depends on your individual circumstances. Don't hesitate to reach out to your local government offices or social service agencies for more information. They can help you understand the application process and determine which benefits you might qualify for. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help when you need it. Government benefits are there to provide support during challenging times. It's always better to be informed and explore all your options. So take some time to familiarize yourself with the government assistance programs available in your area. You never know. You might find a program that can make a real difference in your life. Alright, let's explore a fantastic way to fund your education or business ventures, grants and scholarships. Think of these as free money. That's right, you don't have to pay it back. Grants are typically awarded based on financial need, while scholarships often consider academic achievements or specific talents. Now, I know what you might be thinking. These are super competitive, right? And yeah, you're not wrong. But trust me, the effort is worth it. There are countless grants and scholarships out there, each with its own set of criteria. The key is to do your research and find opportunities that align with your profile. Websites like grants.gov and scholarships.com are great starting points. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Remember, every dollar you receive in grants or scholarships is one less dollar you have to borrow or earn. So roll up your sleeves, put in the effort, and explore the world of free funding opportunities. Now let's talk about a less conventional but potentially significant income source: legal settlements. You know, sometimes life throws you a curveball and you might find yourself on the receiving end of a legal settlement. This could be from a personal injury lawsuit, a car accident that wasn't your fault, or even something like a class action lawsuit. These settlements can range from a few $1,000s to, believe it or not, millions, depending on the nature and severity of the case. I've seen it all, folks. But remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about understanding all your potential income sources. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you might be entitled to a legal settlement, the most important thing is to seek professional legal advice. A good lawyer can help you navigate the complexities of the legal system and ensure you receive fair compensation for your troubles. Remember, I'm not a lawyer, and this isn't legal advice, but understanding the potential of legal settlements as an income source is part of being financially aware. Alright folks, let's dive into some of those smaller income streams. Remember, every dollar counts. Sell your unwanted stuff. Clothes, old electronics, or furniture. Turn them into cash. Use eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Don't underestimate cashback programs and rewards apps. Apps give you cash back for groceries, online purchases, and dining out. Those percentages add up over time. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to boosting your financial health. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Identify opportunities that align with your skills and goals. Think outside the box and get creative. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Wish you knew how to juggle a side hustle? You're not alone. Finding time is tough. Fresh ideas, even tougher. But don't worry. With a little patience, you can conquer these challenges. Keep pushing forward. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.